Hello friends, I am Chetan Singadia from Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. You are watching the video lecture series for the subject of Cloud Infrastructure and Services. Today we are going to see what is Amazon Route 53. Amazon Route 53, it is nothing but one of the network services of Amazon. Now let us understand what is Amazon Route 53. Amazon Route 53 is a scalable domain name system. Its service is intended to give a business and developers a reliable way to direct end user to the applications. This is accomplished by translating domain names into a numeric IP addresses, which is how computers connect to each other. Route 53 performs three main functions in any combination. The first one is domain registration, second one is DNS routing, and third one is health checking. Now let us understand what is registered domain names. Your website needs a name such as book.com. Route 53 lets you register a name for your website or web application which is known as domain name. Next one is route internet traffic to the resources for your domain. When a user opens a web browser and enters your domain name or subdomain name in the address bar, Route 53 will help connect the browser with your website or your web applications. Third one is check the health of your resources. Route 53 sends automated requests over the internet to the resources such as web server to verify that it is reachable, available and functional. So friends, this is what the three main functionality of Route 53 network service. The another aspect of this Route 53 are you can also choose to receive notifications when a resource becomes unavailable and choose to route internet traffic away from unhealthy resources. Amazon Route 53 makes it possible for developers to control global traffic also. It also ensures added security, and Amazon Route 53 can be integrated with AWS Identity and Access Management, that is nothing but IAM, to manage permissions and credentials for every user in your AWS account. With Amazon Route 53, users only pay for managing domains and the amount of query the DNS service answers for each of the domains. Now let us see what are the features of Amazon Route 53. The first one is it is highly available, distributed and reliable DNS infrastructure. The second one is it is highly scalable, simple and fast service. Third one is it also provides service discovery support development of microservice architectures. And fourth one is programmatically integrate Route 53 API into overall web applications. So friends, these are the features of Amazon Route 53. There are more features are available in Amazon Route 53. Let us look at. It also manages the custom domain names without exposing DNS data. Available in 4 EU regions including UK and internationally. It also deploy into automated infrastructure as a service, that is nothing but IaaS, and platform as a services, which is nothing but a PaaS. So friends, this is what the more features of Amazon Route 53. We would also like to see what are the benefits that provides Amazon Route 53. Let us see one by one. The first one is integrated role-based access control across all AWS services. Second one is, it is comprehensive cross-service API audit logging and security. That is nothing but CloudTrail. That we will see in our upcoming video lectures. Third one is, it provides training and architectural patterns or guidance. And fourth one is, it is integrated with other AWS services. The other benefits are, it is easy to use, cost-effective global traffic management, domain name registrations and zone APAC supports. It also provides the latency-based routing for multi-region service provisioning. GeoDNS allows routing based on a user geographical locations. It also provides private DNS for Amazon VPC with custom domain names. And at the last, the DNS failover, health check and monitoring alert also. So friends, these are the benefits of Amazon Route 53. So friends, this is what an Amazon Route 53, which is nothing but one of the network service of AWS. I hope you guys will understand what is Amazon Route 53. Thank you.